Tip on, keep reeling. He's still on energy.
Saw the boat.
He's still. It shut off for some reason.
No, I didn't. It's just the.
Got it, G. Get him, G.
Get out, swim him.
Keep that tip right
Keep that
pointed
tip
right
up.
at the fish.
Point at the fish.
Big fish?
It's a blue, giant blue. No, it's
Fucking
right.
rods. Hold on. Mike, stand up, walk to the other side of the boat. I got him.
Whoa, sweet.
Nice.
Big boy.
Awesome. Nice
Keeping
blue.
that fish.
They said he wanted us to.
Mine.
Big fish is not. We had a 40 inches shake. Went the other direction. Gave a couple of head shakes.
Oh, right there, yeah. Ooh, big boy. 28.
Guns. Yay!
I'm like doubling in here. Ooh. Here, look here.
He's cute.
I'll follow up on you.
Nail open.
How far you want to run these out? How far you running it out? So you're stopping.
Now, what is good question. You'll know this.
This
Yes.
Pissa and then a wicked pissa.
75 yards.
What's a pissa?
Storm. Like